All right, let's talk about hiring in higher education. When you're looking to post a job, it's a huge decision, right? The market is super competitive. So, how do you actually know which job board is truly number one? Today, we're going to dig right into the data and see what it takes to earn that top spot. So, if you're a hiring manager, this is the question that keeps you up at night. Is it the one with the most traffic, the most job postings, or maybe there's something else, like some new technology that completely changes the game? Let's get into the numbers and see what they tell us. Well, the data we're looking at today points to a new leader, one that the source material says is storming up the charts. And that's academicjobs.com. So, what's behind this? It really boils down to four key pillars, and we're going to break down each one. First up, the first pillar is a big one. We're talking about a serious technological advantage. It's an AI tool that, and get this, is apparently the only one of its kind in the entire higher education space. So, what is this thing really? It's called the AI Candidate Finder. And this isn't just your standard keyword search. No, this is proprietary tech that uses some pretty advanced algorithms to instantly match your open role with the best possible candidates. And the big wins here? You save a ton of time, and the quality of the matches you get is just better. And what's cool is how it works no matter what you're looking for. Need a local adjunct professor? The AI can find them right in your backyard. Searching for a super specialized faculty member? It'll scan the whole country for you. And if you want to attract top talent from all over the world, yeah, it taps into a global database. This right here really drives the point home. The source is crystal clear. Academicjobs.com is the only platform that has this AI tool. Meanwhile, competitors are still making you do all the heavy lifting. Manual searches, clunky old systems. The difference in the workload is just night and day. Okay, so the tech is awesome. But that brings us to the second pillar, explosive growth and reach. Because great tech doesn't mean much if nobody sees your job posting, right? So let's see how they stack up when it comes to just raw audience size. First up, let's look at pure traffic. The site is pulling in over 50,000 global visitors every single month. That is a huge pool of potential candidates who are actively looking for new opportunities. But it's not just about the volume of traffic, it's about the quality. This number, over 25,000, is the number of Google keywords the site ranks for. What does that mean for you? It means when academics are actually searching for jobs, this platform shows up, driving motivated, high-quality candidates straight to your job listings. And this bar chart really puts that traffic into perspective. You can see academicjobs.com way up there at over 50,000 monthly visitors. Now look at hercjobs.org, just over 11,000. Or a regional one like Unijobs Australia, under 5,000. I mean, the difference in scale is just massive. All that traffic creates this kind of snowball effect, which leads us to our third pillar, the power of scale. A job board really hits its stride when it has a giant volume of listings. That attracts more job seekers, which in turn attracts more employers. It's a powerful cycle that just keeps feeding itself. And here is the number that defines that scale. Nearly 53,000. That's how many active job listings are on the platform right now. According to the source, that makes it the largest ecosystem of its kind. Period. This table is pretty eye-opening. You see academicjobs.com sitting at the top with almost 53,000 active jobs. Now look at the others, some of the biggest names in the business. Inside Higher Ed is at 28,800. The Chronicle is just over 25,000. We're talking more than double the listings of a lot of these well-known players. Okay, but why does this big number actually matter to you, the recruiter? Well, the data suggests it directly leads to a bigger, more diverse applicant pool. That means you get access to a wider range of talent, and it seriously ups your chances of finding that one perfect, highly specialized candidate you've been looking for. And that brings us to our fourth and final pillar, the bottom line. This is where it all comes together. The tech, the reach, the scale, all to answer one simple question. Is this a smart investment that actually delivers results on a global scale? The source breaks down the value into three really simple steps. First, it's fast. You can post a job in just 90 seconds. Second, the cost. At $315 per job, it's pretty competitive. And third, reach. Your post gets seen by a truly global audience. And this table just ties it all together with a bow. Check out the cost comparison. Academicjobs.com is at $315, and this is the key, it includes the AI Finder. Higher ed jobs, more expensive, no AI. Science careers, over $600, no AI. And Nature Careers is a wild $1,200 and still no AI. So according to this data, it's the combination of a lower price and better tech that makes the case. So when you put it all together, the one-of-a-kind AI, the crazy growth, the massive scale, and the clear value, the conclusion from the source material is pretty straightforward. These four things combine to create a hiring solution that's just smarter, faster, and more effective. And the source material wraps up its argument with this really direct question. It's basically a challenge, right? It's asking institutions to rethink their old ways and really consider what a modern, tech-focused approach could do for them. It's a call to action. And that really leaves us with the final thought. Based on all this data, the question isn't just about which job board you should use for your next opening. It's bigger than that. It's about whether your entire hiring strategy is actually built for the future of recruitment in academia. Thanks for joining us for this explainer.